Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, simply hold power key and then select power off. Once the device shuts off, oops, I think I missed it. There we go. So once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. And this will take you to boot mode. So from here you will use volume keys to navigate, as so, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, you can start the device from here, which will go back to Android, restart bootloader, which will just kind of go back here, recovery mode, obviously it will take you to recovery mode, and power off the device along with bootloader logs and some barcodes, and we're back to start again. So like I said, whatever will be selected, you can then confirm it with power key, and because I want to leave this, I'm going to select start and get back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.